welcome to my channel. My name is Diana, and here I have.
My name's David. Hi.
Hello. So yeah, we are new to this. We're gonna try this, but we're gonna vlog.
Pretty much today we're just gonna ask you some questions and see how it goes.
Here we go.
Yeah, just the fucking. Someone get a child. Who's child?
Who's the babysitter?
Where's the babysitter? Jeanette! Hello. Come in.
No, Mommy, only mom say come in.
Where's your mom?
Come in.
Oh, that's
okay. Anyway, come in. Damn it.
Mommy, you had to say thank you to come in, okay?
Come in, thank you.
But the door's open. Mommy, the door's open.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come in. Come on, hurry, damn it.
Alright, so I guess I'll start off. Pretty much then I'm gonna ask you my first question. Diana.
So we're gonna do 21 questions, man.
And Alina.
And Alina.
Hi, Alina.
Say hi. What's your name?
Alina Yolanda, I got them.
Girl, I don't want your whole name. I just want your first name.
It's a lot of names. It's a long name. Long name.
Well, yeah. So here we go. All right. So, anyways, let's take a drink.
I can ask you my drinks in front of your child.
Girl, we have drinks. Close your eyes.
Ouch.
Okay.
Cheers.
1, 2, 3.
Ecstasy.
We dirty home.
Now.
Did we say cheers or chug?
I don't know what we said.
I heard chug. Alright.
We are Bad Bunny fans, so.
Bad Bunny.
Bad
We're
Bunny,
not
Bad
playing
Bunny.
Bad Bunny song.
Bad Bunny.
Tell them
Bad Bunny.
What? Anyway,
Alright, okay, Diana, so
we're gonna cut that out.
my first question is when was your first kiss?
Girl, like second grade.
Fucking hell.
Like second grade. Yeah, I started young.
Okay.
Are you single?
Am I single? Am I single, Lena?
No, we're not.
Thank you.
No,
we're
we're
not
not.
single.
Oh, I
no,
did.
just kidding. We are
You
single.
are.
It's complicated.
You are.
Thank you.
It's
She
complicated.
corrected it for me. She said I'm single.
are.
And that's on period. Say I'm period.
You are.
Say I'm period.
Period.
Thank you. I'm period. Single.
You're not period.
No period? Okay.
You're period. You're not period.
Okay, Diana, on the top of your head, what was your most embarrassing moment ever? Like, ever?
I remember that one. Once upon a time, in
Not
freshman,
long ago, I was, okay, sorry.
not too long ago, I was a hoe.
I'm not gonna make it there.
And I was a hoe. Anyways, it was in freshman year. I was like, whatever, like kissing a guy, being lovey-dovey with him. And then like this.
And you farted.
No.
Ew.
And then like the bell rang. I'm like, okay, whatever. I love my boyfriend, you know. I kissed him, whatever, we're hugging. And the second bell, like, okay, I gotta go because I'm late. You know, the second bell means like you're about to get a detention. So me over here like 3 or 4 books. I'm like running across the little field, like, dude, I look like a football player. I fell, ate shit in front of people.
Coronavirus.
Coronavirus. It looked like I had coronavirus.
Bully.
I was covered in dirt and everything, and I was embarrassed because there was so many people, and I was late for a stupid guy. Fucking stupid guy. My turn. Anyways, let me see. Do you consider yourself a happy person?
I do. I think I have a lot of good friends and family. I love my life. I wouldn't change it for the world. Consider myself happy.
Ew.
Ew. Okay. Let's play some.
Coronavirus.
No, just kidding, guys. She got the flu. She had a cough.
Coronavirus.
She admitted it.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so Diana,
And you
next
don't
question
Wait, mommy.
is, if we go out, what's your favorite drink?
Jaeger bombs. No, Vegas bombs.
I was like Jaeger bombs.
No, Vegas bombs. What they
Vegas
call
bombs.
Jaeger bombs.
That's not a drink though. That's a shot.
Okay, well it's like Red Bull, and it's like a shot of, I don't know, vodka.
I think it's whiskey, no?
I don't know, like vodka, whiskey, some type of alcohol, add a little bit of Sprite. You drop it and bomb. But yeah, that's my favorite drink, a Vegas bomb.
Guys, I burn.
Ice already.
No, I
Okay.
burn.
Your mom's next. Yeah,
Oh, my turn? Okay. What state were you born in?
State, California?
California?
Morning.
Okay, okay.
I'm a Cali girl.
Ew.
Alright, if you had to choose between Maluma and Bad Bunny, who would it be? Maluma or Bad Bunny?
Choose like how?
Fan-wise.
Maluma.
Shit.
He bombed though.
Not about how he looks, girl.
That's funny. Pay Black Bunny.
And tell me that's on period, girl.
Maluma.
Okay, your turn.
My turn. Okay.
I say we take a shot. Bullshit.
Ew.
Alright.
No, we don't have the bottle here.
How many times have you had car sex?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Lita, no. Maybe a good 3-4 times.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay.
Mine are so my questions are so innocent. No, really.
You make me boring.
Your daughter's in front of us.
That's why I say that. Oh, Jenna's calling you. Jenna's calling you. Okay, go.
Okay.
Play with her.
What was your first job?
17, 18?
What was your first job?
Oh, what? McDonald's?
Ooh, talking about McDonald's. I'm craving some fucking chicken nuggets, low key.
I was a cashier.
Low key, I'm trying to post me some McDonald's. What? It's it. Go.
Tell me the truth. Do you really block all your ex
No.
from everything?
No. Oh, my
Current.
Yeah, I did. Actually, I did.
From everything.
I did.
See, he didn't call me.
Ask her again. I think she did.
That's
Wait,
it.
am I here?
Alright, go.
Yeah, ask her. Watch. I'm pretty sure she did.
You try.
But he's sleeping.
Who's sleeping?
What about?
Okay, when
Yeah. There you go.
when did you lose your virginity? What age?
14? 13?
And I said in that girl. No
You?
comment. No, that's not your question. Tell me your question.
Okay. What is your favorite song to perrear?
Hey. Honestly, I don't think I have a favorite perrear song. Honestly, whatever goes on, and I can groove to, I can dance to. That's my jam.
Okay.
Honestly, I could literally perrear to anything. Can you not?
Like for me, will be like, oh, do you put salt on these?
Lena put salt.
That was salty.
You're still eating those?
I tasted that one like, ew.
The shots are good.
Thank you. Shots are good.
I used to dance to this song. It's called by Iggy Azalea. I forgot the name of the song.
Fact, you always ask me to play it.
But it's a really good song. You
I
wanna,
really like songs.
shake that. Dun, dun, dun.
What Iggy wanna?
Mommy,
It's gonna bug
can I put
me.
salt on my hands? Can I put salt on my hands?
But yeah, this is a good song. I'll let you guys know. I'll add it on. But
Fuck. We'll edit it later to add it on.
yeah, Jesse.
Jesse, get to that, Jesse.
Right, go.
Alright,
I'm to be very, very careful.
it's a Sunday night. You're at home chilling. What are you ordering, food-wise? What's your favorite
Sunday?
fast food Sunday thing? Without cooking, just ordering.
I told you I like it.
It's not like you cook anything,
well,
but...
on Sundays, at any time I will go to Chick-fil-A. But you guys know, Sundays, there's no Chick-fil-A.
I told you, Mommy, I really like sauce.
Yeah. So, In-N-Out, I think it's called Hawaiian one.
It's really my favorite food.
Hawaiian food though.
That's just bomb. Low-key, I want some. Their pasta's fucking...
Everything there is...
Wait, can we Uber Eats that shit right now?
Seriously, we're about to eat because we're hungry.
Okay.
Another munch.
Your turn.
Do you know how to twerk? If you do, let us see.
No, I don't.
Yummy.
It's only for my OnlyFans.com. Just kidding. No. I swear.
.net.
.net, .gov, whatever. .org.edu. No, literally, I swear I know how to fucking like dance, but when I see videos of me, like I'm just like, girl, what the fuck you doing?
Look cute.
No, I don't. I look like a mess.
Last Saturday though.
Oh, let's not talk about last Saturday.
Though.
That'll be in another. We'll talk about our getting drunk days, times, memories.
Talking about days and memories. We had a bad day today.
Are we gonna talk about a date today? No, we're going on with these questions, or are we gonna talk about a date?
Okay. I think it's your turn. Go.
Are you single or taken?
I'm single.
Like single with strings attached, or single is like booty call single, or like single?
I call
My name
myself.
is Lava Girl.
You sound what girl?
I am.
Oh, you're a girl.
No, I'm Lava Girl.
Lava girl. Have
You're
you seen
Lava
the
Girl?
Shark One?
Yeah.
Yes, that's what she calls herself. Cause she's so into them.
I love that. You're into Lava Girl? I'll make your Halloween costume for Lava Girl.
How was Shark Boy for you?
That'd be dope. I'll be Shark Boy, and your mom could be the guy that's like has a big head and like all the like little tentacles.
Oh, and
be
they can be
tiny
da da
Lava
da.
Girl.
Yeah, that would.
I would be tiny Lava Girl.
Okay, and I'll be Big Shark Boy.
And my mom will be...
Mr. Electro. No,
My mom will be Matt.
no, your
As a
mom's name
teacher,
Mr.
remember
Electric
the
Man.
teachers, like, electricidad.
Electro.
You know which
something.
one? Teacher. What's that little boy's name?
Matt?
Oh yeah.
Math's
Okay.
teacher, you know, the guy.
Okay, your
I know him as
last
George
question.
Lopez.
Yeah, George Lopez, the one that plays George Lopez. Lava Girl.
Ooh, this one.
Okay, go.
You like being controlled of?
Lottie?
Controlled of or in control?
Both, either or.
Oh,
You like to
which
be,
one?
okay, anyway, you like to be
Yeah.
in control of the SEX, or you like to lay back and enjoy it?
I think control.
Are you always in control, or you like being in control?
That's the same shit, bitch.
Lava Girl Shark Boy song?
No, it's not.
Yeah, it
What do they
is.
say?
I don't know. No, yeah.
You like being controller?
Yeah, no, I like being in control.
So you like to lay back and, you know,
Yeah.
get.
Mommy, put Lava
That.
Girl
Oh, shit,
Shark Boy
fuck.
song. Mommy, put
Girl.
Lava Girl Shark Boy song.
Ew.
We have to take a quick break because my cup empty. Look, girl. Ain't nothing in there. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our video.
We're halfway. We're half lit.
I feel like I'm full lit.
Go.
It's your turn. I did. Oh no, it is my turn. It's 8, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Everyone
8.
wearing drinks takes a sip. What are you wearing?
Jeans. Hey.
Your leg didn't even go up the ass.
My fat ass leg.
Oh, that's wrong.
My turn. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Girl.
You're 11. No,
One.
that's mine, girl.
Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Take a sip and play again.
Okay, take a sip.
Okay. You. All right. So pretty much, just want to kind of describe mine and Diana's relationship. We started working together. We got really close, and pretty much
like
now,
the first week.
for real. We know a drunkie when you see a drunkie, girl. Let me tell you. Let me know if I can run. Here, you have to do it again.
Yeah, so me and him.
Again. You have to take a sip and play again. So pretty much we clicked right away, honestly. Bar. What's the bar mean? Everybody takes a shot. Okay, we're not gonna take a shot because we're not trying to get.
So we'll take a sip because, girl, we started late. It's already late.
Oh, so pretty much, Diana's family, after hanging out with them, they took me in like I was their own. So I really appreciate that. It's such a good time.
And you always eat the chips. You only let me one. Dude, they even more chips.
Take a sip. Diana, we got a big ass bag.
What? What's that? Which one? Sorry.
That's mine. Put it to your shot. Your left and your right. Take a shot.
That's.
Alright, here. Cheers.
It didn't say cheers.
It says the players to your left and your right. 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
8. It's like, oh!
Tell a joke and everyone judge if it's bad. Or take 5 sips.
You better make me laugh.
I'm sorry, Jenny. Sorry, Jenny Rivera. Did I ever tell you the joke?
Tell me.
No? It said, a Jenny le dijeron, ¿cuál avión te quieres llevar? ¿Y qué dijo?
¿Cuál quieres llevar?
¿Cuál avión te quiere llevar?
¿Cuál ven?
Avión. Jenny dijo, le preguntaron a Jenny,
La más perrea.
Jenny le preguntaron cuál avión te quieres llevar. Y ella dijo,
La más chingona.
dijo, la que caiga. You get it? She found a car crash? In a plane crash?
It wasn't even sounding funny.
It's really sad and funny. I'm sorry, Jenny fans. I live for like una señora, trust me, but that's funny. Something else funny.
She said that though?
No, it's a joke.
Okay. What to say? That's time.
Okay, I'm done with you. Here you go. Your turn.
My turn. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Rest.
Boring. Look at what we got, guys. Read it.
Okay, mine's 5 and 6. That's 3 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another card. Strip down to your underwear or go back to the start.
Ooh, girl.
Go. It ain't that kind of show. Go back to the start.
Not yet.
I think we already finished. Like we already passed finish.
We're going again. Okay. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The oldest player takes 2 sips. And that's on Perry, girl. That's on you. That's how many drinks?
That's it.
Yeah, more. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
Take 3 sips with the player to your left and right. That's you. You already have more. But that didn't make sense. Here, what chug? Our last drink. Cheers. And that concludes our game. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching our video. If you have any questions, please let us know.
Comment below, let us know
How much of a mess we look like.
or how much we can improve. What's good clues.
Thank you.